Have you ever been to this place that left a certain feeling, a certain vibe? This is a journey to a mythical island in the Atlantic Ocean, unraveling unanswered questions. An island that is restless, eerie, magical, and fleeting. In search of its secrets, you find nothing. So the question arises, what is there to find? Despite your efforts, the island remains silent, teaching you a valuable lesson. It leads by example. So stop looking and begin observing. Stop chasing and give in to the unknown. And in that silence, the island echoes. If you haven't learned by now, here's the truth. Surrender to the island. Commit with your presence. And it will unveil its secrets.
Hou je handen op. De klaar voor paard? Huh? Ja? Kan ik ook nog? Zeker. Ga lekker aan de slag. Huh? Let's go.
Holy shit.
Hallo vis.
Flinke zalm hoor.
Shalom, shalom.
Je kent er ook nog hier. Hadden we gedaan. Lekker dik. Zat aan hè? Ga daar dan niet staan, man. Doe niet uit.
Kijk eens nog een heroes. En andersom.
Ja, die van de wat is dat?
Eentje van de zaak. Eentje van Sjaak.
Dat is wel klaar.